How to find deleted friends on Discord. So if you want to find the deleted friends on your Discord, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Discord. Now after opening your Discord, you just need simply go with your friends, and under that you will have your friends, right? So for example, as you can see that I have this friend. Now unfortunately I have clicked on remove friend and this person has been removed, right? Now if you reload the page, then you won't be able to see that person again. Now if you want to add that person again, then you just need simply go with the search, go with friends, which is here on the left side, and then go with add friend, which is on the top. And here you need to enter the username of the person. Now before, Discord might have asked for the 4-digit numbers, which is after that name, but for now it doesn't ask for the numbers. You just need simply enter the name of that person or the username of that person and go with send friend request, and the friend request will be sent. It says success, your friend request was sent, and if the other person accepts the request, then you'll be able to be friends again. That's it. That's how you can find your deleted friends on Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.